it's cold, it's wet, and so I think the only kind of ride I want to be doing today is mountain biking. So very kindly, a guy who lives near me has offered to take me on a little bit of an off-road section route near me. He's here now. I hope you're alright. So yeah, we're gonna head off now, and yeah. How bad is it gonna be? Are you gonna be kind to me?
It's gonna be a little bit windy, some would say.
It's freezing, isn't it?
It's not too bad. It's a big climb to start with, 1,000-foot climb. So I'll get you warm.
The Manchester behind, that looks well nice. It's sunny over there. I won't. I'm like. Fucking did it. Go on, Katie. I got a bit stuck. So we're just doing, where are we?
Crag Quarry.
Crag Quarry. It's a bit sharp though, it's some little sharp bits, so I had enough of it today. So we're gonna go, well, Ode Bets.
Yeah.
You just putting my phone back, I just took a couple of shots making me look like I know what I'm doing. It's windy, it's cold, it's windy. I'm liking it though. And we met some two nice men who were chatting to us. Everyone just seems really chatty.
Mountain biking.
Yeah, it's just nice.
This tight lycra.
I like the tight lycra. The Kodak Courage.
Yeah.
I'm gonna ride up that. No, maybe you don't have to. Just don't hurt yourself. Yes! You did it! Woo, woo, woo! Okay, I'm walking up. I'll look at it in the camera when I get home. I don't look up. Oh, that's fucking horrible. It is windy, but it's beautiful. Absolutely. So good. That is making me practice looking ahead more though. Yeah. Okay. Right.
In a minute where it will drop down.
Okay.
Well, we'll stop it. You'll ride it.
I am damp. I'm a bit chilly, but oh my god, that is honestly, I really do love mountain biking. I guess say I'm not brilliant at it, but I don't know what it is. I feel like the last couple of weeks I've really not wanted to do much on the road, and just because it's so cold and miserable and dark early. But I feel like for motivation for me at the minute is just doing different stuff, and getting out on a mountain bike is just, I don't know what it is, right? I think because obviously, because it doesn't really matter if it's wet and grim or not because you're not out as long. But I don't know, I've just felt a little bit, just a bit off it. And I think you saw that in that last that video a couple of videos ago. But then I don't know what it is. When you get out off-road, it is just unbelievable. I absolutely love it, and it's just given me like, I just feel so much. I think because of lockdown and stuff, I'll be honest with you, I think the lockdown that we had in summer wasn't as bad because you were able to get out and do more, I think, but because it's dark now and wet, it's just not as fun to go out. But honestly, that today, and I've got to say thank you to Phil for like taking me out, because for him, like, that's obviously nothing. He you know, he can't go hard like he would normally go because he's helping me, but I really, really appreciate that someone has taken the time to help me. And yeah, if you can do that for somebody else, then do it. But because it's just, I really appreciate it, and it's really just cheered me up. Not that I felt sad, but I just felt a bit meh. But yeah, it really has cheered me up. So yeah, I'm gonna get in now, get a shower, get some food. I am hungry, and I guess I will see you next video.
We're very pro, loving the socks. Look at that.
Only because I've only got shorts and my legs get cold.